poking around looking for cryptiles, eh? Hurry up. This island's not content with taking me fellow townspeople, says I. No, now it's taken me chickens, too.
You're back. Come to my table and we'll get to work. Here are the latest cryptiles that I've been struggling with. Remember, rearrange them to make 2 separate stories, one under each title. When you Here are more stories. Can you help me put them in the right order? Here are more stories. Can you help me put them in the right order? The one on the right seems like it's still out of order. The story on the left makes sense, but the one on the right seems like it's still out of order. Here are more stories. Can you help me put them in the right order? Well, those stories still seem like they're out of order. Makes sense, but the one on the right seems like it's still out of order. The story on the left makes sense, but the one on the right seems like it's still out of order. Here are more stories. Can you help me put them in the right order? Wow.
You have returned, and the challenge continues. You need silver cryptiles to proceed.
Hey, Joni, do you have any silver cryptiles in your backpack?
Yup, I do.
Okay, now what do we do?
You are now ready to begin. Take note of the 8 slots in the wall below. Pretty nice, huh? We had a whole decorating team in here. Each must be filled using a cryptile that matches the number above it. Once all 8 are filled, the first part of your task will be complete.
But our cryptiles only have these strange symbols on them. How can we match them to the numbers?
My powers are great. Plus, I read this language. Place any cryptile into my mouth, and I will translate it into your language.
Can we go now?
That cryptile didn't match the number written next to the slot. If you don't have a cryptile that matches... That cryptile didn't match the number written next to the slot. The cryptile must match the number. If you don't have a cryptile that matches, you must create one. I will translate a cryptile into your language if you place it in my mouth. I will now explain the true heart of the challenge. After you translate all your cryptiles, you will still need to transform their numbers. To transform the number on a cryptile, use my brethren, the statues to my left and right. Each of my brothers will add a different amount to the number on a cryptile, according to the mathematical rule inscribed upon his head. To perform a transformation, place a cryptile into one of my brothers' mouths. You may transform a cryptile up to 4 times before the cryptile disintegrates. Well done. You are wise. That cryptile was beyond its limits of transformation and has disintegrated. You may survive yet.
I think we'd better take a sack of cryptiles out of my backpack.
Clever indeed. You are closer to your goal. Only 2 slots remain. not enough room.
With a little patience and perseverance, we'll solve this puzzle.
To transform the number on a cryptile, place it into the mouth of any of my brothers to my left or right.
You okay?
Huh?
You have returned, and the challenge comes. There is nothing.
What?
If If you don't have a cryptile that matches, you must create one. That cryptile was beyond its limits of transformation and has disintegrated. That cryptile was beyond its limits of transformation and has disintegrated. That cryptile was beyond its limits of transformation. You are merely one step away from success.
Okay, we've been conducting experiments and we think we've got something for you.
My analysis indicates the following. It's as tough as steel, but as light as plastic.
And it bounces. See?
You have been fortunate so far, but your task is not yet complete. Look at the rule written on each of my brother's heads. It tells you whether he will add or multiply. You need to figure out how much each brother adds, or by how much he multiplies. You will now need gold cryptiles to proceed.
Hey, Joni, do you have any gold cryptiles in your backpack?
Yup, I do.
Great, let's take some out.